Oh my god, look at that guy Hein, bro. Fucking stupid. Leveling guild.
Yeah.
You have to play this open world.
I mean, all the leveling is like IQ minus 60.
Easy, 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 easy.
Check.
This one. Go the pussy. Spread. Mind your spread, guys. Box out. Are they road? Yo, they need scout. Where they are? Southeast. Come southeast. Spread.
There is man here.
So many
No,
behind one. Hello.
Spread. Come east. Yo, ready di tank northeast ah. Wait. They gonna turn. Look, they looking. Spread. We counter. We play for counter. Spread.
Yeah.
Ali looking.
Bedrock.
Ali looking. Look east side, shallow east. Wait. After bedrock in 3, 2, 1. East side now. Nice. Spread now. Big spread, guys. Big spread south. Big spread on the south. Ready deepen. Big spread, guys. Big spread. Deepen now. Okay, walk east now. Walk east. 10 seconds. Walk east. Gonna shallow front line again, okay? Spread, guys. Spread inside. Looking at the front line only. Front line shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the front line. On the front. Hit the front line. Hit Sunny. Dead, bro. Spread again. Come back southwest. Ali looking. Spread. Depend. Nice defense. Spread again. 10 seconds.
Q Forest.
10 seconds. Looking northeast. Walk northeast. Looking northeast, ah. Cleanse. Walk northeast. Depends na. Look north. Shallow north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the north now. Okay, spread again. Spread. You clump. Depend. Spread again. Walk northeast. Walk into them. 10 seconds. Walk into them. 5 seconds. Walk into them. 5 seconds. Look into the front only. 5, 4,
Here, the front,
3,
here, the front.
2, 1. On the front now. Ali dead. Walk into them. Full walk in now. Into them. Collapse on them. Decating. Push through. Giga push through. Full push on them. Depend on the bomb. Full push on them. Walk into their backline. They full running. Full collapse on them. Walk in.
Ball him.
Keep walking northeast. They broken.
Nice. Kill Glini. This fucking dog. This Glini again. Alone.
Bro, we like tsunami, bro.
So many people left behind, guys. Next time, just if you really far, just mount up. This morning fun. If you keep walking, the color gonna be so far away, right?
Bro, you don't need my bomb spot, bro. What the fuck?
Weapon.
Their defense just collapsed immediately. I don't know why their defense are not even trying.
Fuck! Why OC control?
I mean,
Okay.
again, bro.
No.
Hey, Dengeg, what happened to you, Dengeg?
Oh, beyond dream, my bro.
How many party 2?
We only lose one.
18.
Party 3.
We lose one as well.
What the fuck, guys, you're so amazing.
Good
Let's
job,
go
guys.
back. Good job.
Fucking 33, so many demon armor.
Let's go back. Nice job, guys.
Fucking Giga Chat demons versus Virgin Lemurs.
The main Zerg is worse actually. Holy shit.
Told you, bro.
It's so worse, bro. No one's